First part of the vlog here. We're leaving today. It's about 6:30 in the morning. We're going fishing the next couple days. Not streaming, not playing games. Chilling. Getting ready to drive to the Ozarks to go fish. A little bit of bass. Gonna be pretty fun, pretty stoked. It's about 60 degrees out. Well, it's 40 degrees right now, but it's gonna be 60s. We're gonna get a little rain the next couple days, so we're gonna be filming in the rain. We're fishing it. Look forward to seeing you. How pretty that is. Golly. Fucking gorgeous, man. Mickey D's. Get some food for the morning. Starving, need some breakfast. Crazy. Whew. Hungry. Oh shit, we made it. Finally. 4 hours later. Good Christ. What a trip. A lot of back road driving. I think we went down every back road in southern Missouri, but we made it. Yep, just getting hammered. I caught one today. That's acceptable.
Look at that shit.
What'd you do?
It got like threaded through there.
You got it all fucked up, didn't you? Where are we going now, Scuba Steve? And thanks for watching. We're going to do another adventure pretty soon. Going on a pipeline to do some work. We're going to check it out. Waiting for a couple of days for the welders to come. But I appreciate you watching. If you could, go down the bar button. Hit that like, subscribe if you like the video. Take care, bros.